I'm going to move heaven and earth to get us going in the right direction.
I'm officially declaring a national emergency.
Growing concerns about the deadly coronavirus officially hitting the U.S. Here's what we know.
COVID has caused 373,000 deaths in the U.S. and 1.93 million deaths worldwide. A vaccine has been developed and it is currently being offered to healthcare workers. Cases have been shooting back up and schools have been closing back down. Let's hear from some healthcare workers to see how we can fix this.
As a healthcare worker, I think the government needs to step in and regulate and help build PPE for each state, making sure that there are also enough ventilators available for every state. As far as a mandated national mask rule, I think that would most likely be a good idea. I think our problem would be in policing it, because people are not paying attention to that now. But I think if there was a mandated mask rule for, let's say, the next 3 to 6 months, that would help, along with the vaccine, to help cut down the numbers of active cases that we have. Also, I think they need to appropriate money towards more mental health for people that are going to be going or are going through a really tough time with the isolation. Thank you.
What I notice with the patients are just scared. They want to be, they want that reinforcement there that everything's going to be okay. And, I've done my best, but, there are times that it has turned out not so great. So, for me, it's emotionally and physically draining, and then by the time I come home, it affects my family because I felt like I've left everything I've had at work. So that's just my take on how COVID has affected me.
Going to disappear. One day it's like a miracle. It will disappear. You have to be calm. It'll go away. It will go away. Just stay calm. It's going to go away. It's going to go away. It will go away. You know it. You know it is going away. It's going to go away. Hopefully at the end of the month, and if not, it hopefully will be soon after that.
My dad, Mark Anthony Urquiza, should be here today, but he isn't. He had faith in Donald Trump. He voted for him, listened to him, believed him and his mouthpieces when they said that coronavirus was under control and going to disappear, that it was okay to end social distancing rules before it was safe, and that if you had no underlying health conditions, you'd probably be fine. So in late May, after the stay-at-home order was lifted in Arizona, my dad went to a karaoke bar with his friends. A few weeks later, he was put on a ventilator, and after 5 agonizing days, he died alone in the ICU with a nurse holding his hand. Enough is enough. Donald Trump may not have caused the coronavirus, but his dishonesty and his irresponsible actions made it so much worse. We need a leader who has a national, coordinated, data-driven response to stop this pandemic from claiming more lives and to safely reopen the country. We need a leader who will step in on day one and do his job, to care. One of the last things that my father said to me was that he felt betrayed by the likes of Donald Trump. And so when I cast my vote for Joe Biden, I will do it for my dad.